Hi, students. Welcome to Vet 220, Laboratory and Exotic Animal Care and Management. I'm Dr. Cheryl DiCarlo, a veterinarian with specialty board certification in laboratory animal medicine. I have over 35 years of experience working in biomedical research and have been teaching the laboratory animal medicine portion of this course at Deltec since 2017. In addition to me, you will meet Dr. Morgan Dawkins, an exotic animal veterinarian for over 25 years. Dr. Dawkins is the medical director and co-owner of the Windcrest Animal Hospital in Wilmington, Delaware. He has been teaching the exotic animal portion of this course for over 10 years. This course introduces students to working with exotic pets and laboratory animal species. Topics include basic care, housing, animal behavior, common diseases, and veterinary technical care of multiple rodent species, avian species, reptiles, amphibians, fish, non-human primates, and several other interesting animals. We will begin this course with a discussion on regulatory issues and agencies that you will have to know when working with these animals in practice and in the research laboratory. To be successful in this course, it's important to please read ahead and participate in class. Attending each class is expected, and attending the hands-on laboratory is mandatory. These activities will better prepare you to complete your assignments, be successful on the exams, and help prepare you for your licensing examination. The types of animals seen in both practice and research go beyond our common domesticated species of dogs, cats, food animals, and horses. There will be some crossover material with your previous and current vet technology courses. This is intentional, as it will assist you in the preparation for your career as a veterinary nurse and help you in preparation for the VTNE exam after graduation. Whether you go into small animal clinical practice or shelter medicine, food animal practice, wildlife rehab, or even biomedical research, the animals you will encounter are likely to include some non-domestic species. For example, rabbits can be pets. They can be raised for food or fur. Rabbits can be injured in the wild and rescued to a rehab center. And they can even serve as an animal model for human diseases. So having a basic knowledge will help you prepare for those less commonly seen but equally important species. During this course, you'll be trained to perform a designated mandatory set of skills. This training is hands-on and will take place at a university vivarium, also at a USDA-approved National Poultry Improvement Plan research laboratory, and at an exotic animal practice. In addition to learning these new skills, these specialized hands-on labs will also broaden your scope of career possibilities by exposing you to biomedical research and animal production research facilities, along with exotic animal practice. My favorite part of this course is the cumulative assignment on environmental enrichment and client education for an exotic animal owner. I love this assignment because I always learn something new from the students. Education and mentoring can work both ways. For example, did you know that a chinchilla's fur is so soft because they can produce up to 60 hairs per follicle? Isn't that fascinating? A student taught that to me. So open your minds, delve into the scientific literature, and let us know what you will teach me during this course. Looking forward to seeing you this semester.